Welcome to Guruvira Textile and Fashion Technology Tutorial.
Hi friends, today see friends, textile industry started centuries back, okay, and technology developed. How the industries developed decades by decades, year by years, okay, day by day. The textile industry developed not only in India or any other countries, any countries in the world. The textile industry developed, technology developed. Technology means technology in terms of machineries, technology in terms of organizations, technology in terms of the process, technology in terms of quality maintenance, technology in terms of how to coordinate the between the processes, the all relations, whatever the relations are there in one processing. Say example, textile industry, spinning industry is there. Spinning industry, the production is spun yarn. Different departments are there. Lorem carding, combing, drawing, simplex, okay, yeah, ring frame, winding. Like that in weaving, the warping preparations, weaving shed and finishing, so many other departments are there. Other than this production, other coordinate departments are there, supporting departments. Those are all maintenance departments, electrical departments, production planning control departments, HR department, human resource department. Like that, many supportive departments are there. Not only the spinning means one department, it is a combination of the processes. Organization, systematic organization by clubbing all the processes in the company. Each and every department in the company has to work, has to perform well, on time, at right time, on time, with efficiency, with as a productive. Then only the output of the company will give something return. Not only the management of the any company invest something, to input something. Not only input means money is not only the matter of input. Input means employment is also employing, generation of the employment is also an input, okay, and training to the worker, officers, supervisors, whoever is the employee is there, the training is required. Training for what? He has to work for his organization, for the specific organizations. He has to play his role efficiently. Like that, spinning shed, weaving shed, dyeing shed, finishing shed, and also it comes to the clothing, garment factories, export houses, buying houses. So it's like a chain. Many companies, many organizations, many processes are involved here.
Please subscribe to this channel, like it, share it, and click the icon bell. Thank you.